Warning, you're about to learn one of the internet's best kept secrets. Pay close attention as this video will expire at any second. We all know that the only way to make money is by working hard, right? Wrong. While that may have been right in the past in the AI era, that's not the case anymore. I changed the world and is about to change everything within it. Here, let me prove it. You see the screenshot, that's a payment of $954.34 I just received directly into my account. And you know what I did to make that money? Nothing. I didn't work hard for it. Instead, I work smart. In total, I made about $25,645.66 this month, working only a few minutes daily. And best of all, I get to keep all that money because I don't pay for ads or hire anyone to help me. Easy. I use the smartest AI model ever created, Bard, and use it to hijack all my competitors' apps. I know it sounds complicated, but it's actually way easier and more powerful than you think. You see, I created an AI-driven app that can hijack all the customers and traffic my competitors get on their apps, and give me 100% control over it with what I like to call AI interactive elements. You see, with this app, I can add opt-in forms, e-com store, buy buttons, call to actions, maps, share gates, images, quizzes, and survey countdown timers, and tons more directly over any app on the internet. I don't have to create, edit, or even code anything. I choose the app that has a lot of users, and I just paste the URL or keyword inside my AI. And that's it. Within seconds, it'll hijack it, and I'll have 100% control over the traffic and users. Oh, and don't worry, all of that is 100% legal and ethical. We don't break any DOS or copyrights. Neat, right? But it gets better. You don't even need to do research and find an app to hijack. GTAI does that for you too. Just select a niche and it'll show you thousands of apps that get tons of users every day. And you can just click and hijack in seconds. Doesn't matter what niche you're in, and it doesn't matter what country you're in, GTAI will work for you regardless. And leaving us its AI capabilities to auto-generate professional landing pages to host any app you hijack and drive additional traffic to you without you doing anything, thus giving you double the traffic you'll get from your competitors. Yes, that's the power of GTAI, my friend, and help hundreds of users go from making $0 to past their $100 a day barrier. What's crazy is that none of them ever made money before, and none of them have any technical experience. Because to operate GTAI you don't need any experience or skills. In fact, you can use GTAI without even clicking. I know it sounds weird, but we made using GTAI is a dead easy process that you can even use just by using your voice. We added a Siri-like feature that would allow you to hijack apps with just your voice. With GTAI you'll be able to get the results you always dreamt up without creating apps, without editing apps, without even uploading apps, without paying anything up front, and without paying for any ads. Hey, my name is Eli and I'm here to show you how we hijack any app online and turn it into my personal cash machine without creating any apps yourself, just by using our powerful AI. You're just 4 clicks away from hijacking any app. Step 1. Log in to GTAI cloud-based app. Step 2. Enter any app you want to hijack: Express, ChatGPT, STABLEGP3, or even GTAI. Step 3. AI hijack. Let our AI model hijack the app for you and add unlimited interactive elements to it. Step 4. Profit. Yep, that's it. Each time we hijack an app, we get payments like this. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? In simple words, GTAI is priceless. It's the first market app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you: profit. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it, but I make enough money from using GTAI so I don't need to charge you for that. I use it on a daily basis, so I don't see why I should not give you access to it. So for a limited limited time only. I'm willing to give you full access to V8 for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running GTAI that won't last for long. While GTAI is impossible to saturate, our servers can only handle so many users. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very, very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your coffee while you can. Listen, right now you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use GTAI for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Not just that, we'll send you a bunch of extra software as a gift for wasting your time. Worst case scenario, you get GTAI and don't make any money. You'll still get access to other software as bonuses for trying it out. Click the button below to get instant access to GTAI plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see